James.
How can I help? You talking to the back of my head.
But I'm not recording though.
I know.
It's
they
you.
are. The man is recording. You never know when they're recording you while you're recording yourself.
What's up, YouTube? I'm out here just in the parking lot. I would go home and do it, but I don't feel like doing it. I don't want to make I don't want to make the neighbors mad. 'Cause that happened before. About a couple, yeah. But yeah, just out here. Just left the gym, which is all the way out there, yeah. So, and the gym I go to is Planet Fitness. So, I wish I had the black membership, something like that, but my money kind of, it's a money problem. But yeah, yeah, this out here, got the bike, and a new update on it as well too is this little button out here. It's like a key fob, but it's not. So I might just go ahead and do it right now, or after I'll do a flyby, So yeah. But I feel like I'm losing torque. So if anybody know how I can get more torque or anything, please hit the comment bottom down there, because I need more torque. And I also got my helmet out there too. So yeah, I'm just out here chilling, fooling. The club over there. Let's go over there. I want to go over there real quick. Start jamming. Nah, I ain't just kidding. I ain't going over there. But yeah. Shit. I want to go to McDonald's, but they closed. I thought they were supposed to be 24/7. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just chilling right now. And nothing else to do, So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of a flyby, and after, yeah, I'm just going to do this. So what I'm about to do right now, I need to use my selfie stick. 1 second. Whew, had to reach for there. But yeah. So back over here. Silly me. Yeah. So my bad. I gotta flip it over. This little thing out here. I recommend everybody that has a motorized bike, anything that's motorized, electric, anything, get you one of these. It's like really loud. So do this. That's the only reason I got it. So the button I'm about to hit right now is the lock button out there. So it's got the lock button out there, the unlock, then something, then the little bell down there. I guess you can change the sound of it or something like that. So I mean the alarm. Yeah, the alarm. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. Oh man, sorry noise. That's what it is. But yeah, tomorrow it's supposed to be 60 up to 61, but right now it's like real cold. And if you ain't from Alabama, like where I'm at, this Florence, Alabama is like freaking bipolar. Like, it sucks. Like, it don't even know what to choose. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do this right now. So, I'm about to hit the lock button right now. Take about 3 seconds. Now it's locked. So, let's say somebody, like, you just out and about where you can see a bike, but let's say you at Foodland or McDonald's. Somebody walk by, like, past it, something like that, or try to take your bike. All they have to do is walk up towards it, trying to get on it, and it shake. Yeah, very loud. Another thing, no, I'm not driving. It's a little notification I get. See? No. There you go. Very loud. Now, hold on. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then all that out there is like 30 seconds. At least 30 seconds. So I think it's a way that, I mean, I don't know, because I ain't trying messing with it. But it's very easy to just install. So let me go ahead and lock it. So it's very easy to install. Sorry about the light. See if I can bring it up real close. So the way I got it set up right here under the handlebars, but you can see that it's zip ties, but on the other side is like the 3M double side tape, or sticky pads. So it's gonna man, it's cold. But yeah, but it's gonna stick forever, so it ain't gonna let you down, because I got it like 2-3 days ago. I don't know, I'm just hoping it's gonna stay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this flyby and then start up. Well, start up and flyby. So here it is right now. this out here, on my hands. Just a normal setup, you know. Got double lights. These lights out here has a turn signal. Indicator. And this out there is lasers. Tells how far people should back off, you know, or they'll get that foot lased off, you know. Look at all, see? But yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, the thing that I need to do for real is upgrade to a different kickstand. So if somebody can send me a link to, I know you can get them off of Amazon or eBay or something like that, but you know, I gotta have something different, man. You know, see how struggle it was. The struggle was real. But yeah, I put all this on by myself, so nobody didn't help me out. And the manual that came with this book, this motor right here, you cannot understand what the fuck it was saying. It was like so far back, like almost to that truck is right now. It seemed like it. But yeah, this is me out here. So hopefully I get the beach cruiser. Hopefully I can get it back running again, probably next week or probably 3 weeks, break or two, 3 weeks, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah. Give me a new front tire also. Probably the same one just like this one out here. Yeah. So I probably need to get ready to get a tune on this too. Because it sound good, but if we was here in person, it probably you would say it needed a tune or something like that, but I'm planning on getting like another exhaust. It's coming up towards the side out here on the other side, and yeah, and boost bottle too. So I already booked the engine, and it's going, it's doing well. So yep. Yeah, this is my main bike out here, so it's gonna probably be in the videos every time, Yeah. Hopefully I can get a GoPro, something like a mount that goes on my chest that I can record, like the rides and stuff. I do have a helmet mount, so it's not for this one, but it's like for a bicycle. This normal helmet. Yeah, hopefully I can get that chest piece out there to go on, like somewhere, probably Walmart or eBay, Amazon, so I can start recording like my daily drives and stuff. Yeah. About to end the video right here. So if you like this video, give it a hit. Like, go ahead and don't give it a hit. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, more videos will be coming too, so, logging out right now. And another thing, I want to say thank you for watching, Sorry about that. My Facebook is Trevon Harris Luke. My my Facebook is Trevon Harris Luke. My Instagram is thatcardo95. My Snapchat is thatcardo95 or DJ King Rocco, which I posted out here like you know how it is. Yep. My Twitter is thatcardo95 also. So please go ahead and follow me on everything. I will follow you back. So yeah, my arm is getting a little tired. It's burning. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. Don't be shy. So again, thank you for watching and have a great night.
Let me see, let me see.